How to reset your cTrader password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on cTrader and need to reset your password, then first of all, launch open the cTrader app on your device, and once you end up in this login screen, tap on Forgot Password link. You then need to enter your email address to reset your password. Just go ahead and type it down in the text box and click on Reset Password. Now, you'll be sent an email with a reset link on your provided email inbox. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox associated with cTrader and open up the email from cTrader. Now click on Reset Password. Choose any web browser to continue with. Once you get to this page, you'll need to set up a new password for cTrader. Go ahead and type in your password in the new password field you want to change to. In the new password field, make sure to type in the password you'll remember later, and once you do that, head over to the next field and repeat your new password once again. Finally, click on Reset Password. Soon after you do that, you'll be redirected to the login page. Now go ahead and enter the newly updated password while logging into your account, and finally click Login. And there you have successfully updated your password or recovered your forgotten password for cTrader. Now you can choose your broker and log in successfully. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.